The 3.6 client for Android is free for all users of the PBX and allows your employees to carry their Office extension with them wherever they go. With its array of productivity-enhancing features, the Android client allows users to communicate and work exactly as if they were sat at their desks, whilst combining the usability of their Android device with the advanced functionality of the PBX. Getting started is easy. With the QR code provisioning feature, simply scan the code from your 3.6 web client and you're ready to go. Our Presence feature allows you to quickly view the availability of your colleagues. This means users can handle calls more efficiently and provide better customer service by enabling them to easily transfer calls to someone that's available. Integrate your device's phone book with 3CX and keep all of your contacts together in one place, whilst keeping your personal contacts private. The 3.6 phone book separates entries by placing the 3.6 logo next to internal contacts, so there's no need to worry about mixing up personal and professional numbers. From the phone book, simply tap on the contact to make a call, leave a voicemail, start a conference, page with the intercom, start a chat, or send an email. Since we use our smartphones every day, the convenience and simplicity of using our own devices for business is tempting. That's why with 3CX, we've made the functionality of the Android client as simple and close to that of a smartphone as possible. Push integration automatically launches the client when a call comes in, so you don't need to drain the battery by running the app all of the time. The keypad is simple, modern, and easy on the eye, with the added benefit of multiple lines available. Need to check your call history? No problem. View your inbound, outbound, and missed calls easily, just as if you were using your own smartphone. Scheduling conferences can be done right from the palm of your hand. Create conferences, invite participants, and manage your meetings straight from the 3.6 client's interface. The client will even call you automatically at the time of the conference, so you'll never miss an important meeting again. Sometimes a simple text message is more effective than a phone call, therefore we've integrated chat so there's no need to use any third-party apps or give out your personal contact details. You can access and manage your chats in the Android client just like any other instant messaging or SMS platform. If we're not checking our voicemail inbox on a regular basis, it's easy for an important message to slip through the cracks, so we've made it ever so simple to access your voicemails straight from the client. Not only are your voicemails forwarded to your email, they are also clearly displayed in the voicemail section along with the contact information of the person that left the message, as well as the time and date that the message was created. So are you ready to update your communications? Try 3CX for free today.